Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through resolving the annoying CreateProcess Failed Code 2 error when launching software. This systemic execution failure occurs when an installation directory path gets corrupted or your antivirus mistakenly flags and deletes a crucial setup file. To fix this immediately, open your Windows Security app, navigate straight into your protection history log, and if you see your executable file quarantined, click Actions to restore it and add it to your exclusions list. Next, right-click the shortcut of the broken program, enter its Properties menu, and under the Compatibility tab, check the box to run this program as an administrator. If the pop-up still appears, your shortcut path is likely completely broken, so uninstall the program entirely, download a clean installer from the official website, and reinstall it to perfectly rebuild your system directory. Subscribe the channel for more videos.